Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing training for beginners by Richard Murphy. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Network marketing is one of the fastest growing businesses today. Starting out, network marketing as a new business venture requires a lot of capital and a lot of work. While network marketing training for beginners by Richard Murphy does not necessarily have to be expensive or time-consuming, it can often feel that way. How do you know if you are learning the correct lessons? Network marketing training for beginners by Richard Murphy teaches you the fundamentals so that you can actually start to make money. As an entrepreneur, you must be willing to start your own home-based business and be willing to teach yourself to become successful. In Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy, you will learn from the beginning, how to start a network marketing business, how to take action, and how to take a product or service to market. It will teach you how to market your products and services. The lessons will also teach you how to set up your own home-based business. Here's how this happens. From the beginning, network marketing requires that you have a website. You will be taught about how to get your own website set up, and you will be able to take action immediately. You will then be able to learn how to find a great web host and a great domain name, which you will use to market your products and services. When you are learning network marketing, the first part of the course you will need to do is learn to build a list. In Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy, you will find that a list is critical to your success. Your list is the backbone of your business, and without it, you cannot succeed. To build a list, you will need to learn how to approach new people and how to have more fun with those people who want to sell to you. You will be taught how to find people to promote your products and services. In this way, you will have a better chance of finding new people who want to purchase your products and services. So the first thing you need to do is build your list of new people who want to buy your products and services. If you have already done this, you have a list already. But if you have not yet, you will have to start a course where you can learn how to build a list. In Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy, you will be taught how to market your own business online. There are many great tools out there that you can use to market your business, and the courses you learn will help you to use those tools effectively. Once you use the right tool, your business will grow and you will learn to make money online, and you will learn how to market your business. In Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy, you will be taught the things that you will need to know about networking. The course will also teach you about how to market yourself and your products and services. In your network marketing business, you will also learn marketing secrets to making more money. So, in Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy, you will learn how to market your own business, how to market other people's businesses, and how to make more money online. That's a lot of information that will provide you with everything you need to know to start your own business. Of course, the course will teach you more about these topics than you could ever learn in just one training course. So what are you waiting for? Learn Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy and start your own home-based business today. Learn how to make money online and become successful in your network marketing business. If you want to become a successful entrepreneur in network marketing, then Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy is the right book for you. If you want to succeed in this field, and do not want to go through the heavy learning curve of going through network marketing schools and also learn the basics of network marketing, then you must get this book first before you try your hand at learning any network marketing. Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy has a good storytelling approach which the novice can relate to quickly. This is a great way to learn as you will not have to study and learn all about the marketer and their business, and if you already have a business or someone who has already started your business will be able to show you exactly how to start a network marketing business from the ground up. They will also help you with some of the more advanced aspects of network marketing, like working with others to create a list of subscribers to a specific product, or how to use the power of social media marketing for your business. While this book focuses mainly on basics and just getting started with the network marketing business, there are a few topics in the book that are very detailed and useful to get you started in this business. The main focus of this book is on how to start your own network marketing company and how to take your business to the next level. In this book, you will find a lot of great books about network marketing training, and most of them will start off with giving you the basics of the business, but then will move on to marketing yourself through the online world, using tools and technology. While Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy has a strong focus on the basics and simple network marketing for a beginner, it also includes an abundance of information that can greatly benefit you as you enter the world of this business. This book also features several other great tools, which you will find very helpful for a network marketing business. You will learn how to create your own affiliate programs, get a more comprehensive list of leads, and a better understanding of affiliate marketing. While most network marketing books focus on the basics and how to start your business, or how to utilize the tools and technology to help you take your business to the next level, Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy will go into more depth and give you a more in-depth look at the tools and technology that you will need to succeed. These tools include affiliate programs, online marketing, and more. I have read many network marketing training books over the years, and none of them provide me with more information than Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy. There are some books that focus on the basics of the business, while there are some others that focus on more in-depth information, but none of them offer me more information about marketing and developing an internet marketing business. The last thing I would like to point out about Network Marketing Training by Richard Murphy is that it is very simple to follow along with, and you do not have to be a technical person to understand it. You can start right away and get all the information you need to succeed. If you are an internet marketer, a network marketer, or want to be a network marketer, you will love this book. All you have to do is choose the one that will work best for you. You can follow along with the software that comes with the book. You can access the forum where the community of network marketers is discussing their success, and you can even get a free ebook that gives you the training that you need to succeed. In my opinion, Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy is the best resource for network marketers, or anyone looking to start a business. It teaches you everything you need to know to get started, without the heaviness of the learning curve of the network marketing school of industry. You can easily learn the ins and outs of this information with Network Marketing Training by Richard Murphy and just start following along right away and start experiencing success. Thanks for watching my video about Network Marketing Training for Beginners by Richard Murphy. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.